This is a nasal iodine spray. I've been using this for years. I just got a new bottle. This stuff is basically, it has iodine in it, and it has also folic acid. Really the big thing here is the iodine that goes into your nose and it cleans it out. You can use this like up to 4 times a day. That's what they say on here. I would usually use it after I'm flying somewhere. So if I'm on a plane with a bunch of people, you put that in there and it basically cleans out your nose. Maybe it kills all the viruses, all bacteria and stuff like that. Or if you're sick, or if you're around people that are sick. So if you have like kids that are sick and you're with them all day, you may want to put this up there, kind of clean it out. During the holidays, with a big gathering, put this again up there, cleans it out. It doesn't burn or anything like that. It doesn't have a smell. It just naturally cleans your nose. I've been using this for years. The bottle I got actually leaked a little bit. I'm not sure why. You can see it's inside there, but no big deal. This is all good. Good company. I've used them for years. This is my second bottle. Just wanted to come on here and say stuff is good. I mean, it doesn't work. I have no idea how I could quantify that, but iodine is used to like cleanse stuff. So before I actually bought this, I would actually make an iodine spray, a nasal spray, and I'd buy something offline. I forget what it was, but it was a nasal spray, kind of like the folic acid, and then you put iodine in it. So I bought iodine. I made my own spray. So I've seen this all over the place from pharmacists saying that this is great stuff, but they actually now just make it. So it's probably better just to have them make it because who knows what iodine I was buying. So really good stuff. I highly recommend it to everyone. Good. It even says here, after work, after social gatherings, and after being out in public. Clean your nose.